How to buy more storage on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. On this page, go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Tap on Upgrade for more storage as shown. You can now choose a storage plan from here and then tap on Upgrade to iCloud Plus below. Enter your Apple account password here to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily buy more storage on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.